Be careful when closing your Cybertruck doors. There are chances that you might get injured due to the sharp edges on the door. One of the owner injured his leg while he parked the truck on an incline. He was trying to exit the truck, and while closing the door, the owner managed to clip the very corner of the door against his leg. He needed to go get stitches for the injury on his legs. The corner really is sharp. The owner was just lucky enough to close the door with enough force and hit the leg perfectly to cause damage. Hope we can find a solution to this, as we are sure there will be more occurrences of such incidents. Tesla needs to find a way to round the edges, cause not everyone is going to take it on the chin. There could be lawsuits coming. The exposed sharp edges need to be rounded off somehow. Cybertruck looks a little rushed to production, so hopefully Tesla is working on this for later trucks.